D&L Garage Doors, your trusted partner for all garage door needs in Boise, Idaho. We offer a wide range of services from repairs to installations, ensuring your garage door operates smoothly and efficiently. Our expert technicians are skilled in diagnosing and repairing various garage door issues. Whether it's a broken spring or a faulty opener, we provide reliable solutions to restore your garage door's functionality and ensure your peace of mind. Whether you're in Boise, Meridian, Eagle, Nampa, or any other city across Ada and Canyon counties, we're here to serve you. Our dedicated team reaches every corner of the Treasure Valley and beyond. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your garage door. Our comprehensive maintenance services include lubrication, safety checks, and adjustments to keep your door in top condition, preventing costly repairs down the line. With a commitment to local excellence, at D&L Garage Doors, we know the Treasure Valley and the specific needs of each neighborhood we serve. Our local knowledge ensures we provide fast response times, quality parts, and the expertise you can count on. If you're considering a new garage door, we offer a diverse selection of styles and materials to enhance your home's look and curb appeal. Our team will guide you through the process, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your needs. We also specialize in installing smart, modern garage door openers, including Wi-Fi-enabled and battery backup systems. These advanced openers provide convenience and security, allowing you to control your garage door remotely with ease. Our expertise doesn't end there. We specialize in everything garage door services related, from general minor repairs to new garage doors installations, maintenance, and emergency support. Our highly trained technicians are here to keep your garage door running smoothly, safely, and efficiently. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is unwavering. We offer transparent pricing and honest service, ensuring you receive the best value for your investment. Our technicians are dedicated to delivering exceptional results every time. No matter where you are within our service area, D&L Garage Doors guarantees honest, reliable service. With fast response times and flexible scheduling, we're committed to your convenience and satisfaction. D&L Garage Doors is proud to serve the Treasure Valley community. Our local expertise and dedication to quality make us the go-to choice for garage door services in Boise and the surrounding areas. Being locally owned and operated, we care deeply about our community. That's why we're committed to providing outstanding customer service that puts your needs first every time. Schedule an appointment today. We look forward to assisting you with all your garage door needs. Contact us today to schedule an appointment and learn more about our offerings. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Reach out to D&L Garage Doors today and experience the difference of working with local experts. Call us today at 208-650-4304 or visit our website www.garagedoorrepairandboise.com to book your service easily and quickly.